Okay, this is me, John. I'm going to revise my YouTube tutorial on C Sharp because some of it has a poor volume. First, the first tutorial that I'm going to revise is the form. How to make a new form. Just click the then new item. On the new item, choose Windows Form. You can change the name of the form, but I'm not going to change it. Then another one. Then the form Then the form tree. Now we have a tree form. On the first form, on the form 1, I'm going to make a button. The button 1 and the button 2. I'm going to change the text of the button 1 and the name of the button 1. This is the form 2 and the button of the button form 2. Okay, and another one is the form 3. The name of the button is the button form 3. Then the text of the button will be bot form 3. Now we have a two button. First, you need to declare you need to declare the form as a new form. How to declare a new form? The form name, which is the form 2, then the form that you want to name it. Example John, then new form 2. Then the form 3, Rosado is equal to new form 3. The syntax of this is the form name, the form that you want to name on that form, then new form. Okay, on the button form 2, I'm going to show the form 2, which is I'm going to type John dot show. Then on the another button, which is the button form 3, I'm going to type Cosado dot show dialog. What is the difference between the show dialog and the show? Show dialog, you cannot go to another form if you're going to show that form. While in the show, you can go to other form. Example, I'm going to debug it. Then I'm going to click the form 2. See, I'm going to click the form 1. As you can see, she going to change the form. Or she going to back the form 2 and the form 1 will be appear. Then I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to click the form 3, which is the show dialog. On the show dialog, you cannot go to another form. See? Then that's all. Thank you.